friends, welcome back. In the previous lesson, we learned 3 forms of ای. ای اول، ای وسط, and ای آخر. Let's write a sentence together. I want to write ایمان. Iman is a boy's name. At the beginning, you hear the E sound. So, the E at the beginning, which we learned, is made of 2 parts. E. Now, I want to write man. How to write man? M and A together make ma. Ima. N. Iman. Ba. Iman. Ba. Nikan. Nikan is also a boy's name. Nikan. Let's break it down. Ni-kan. How to write ni? N and E. N and E. Now, where do we hear the E sound in this word? It's in the middle. So, it's the middle E. Now, I want to write ka. Do you remember how ke looked when it connected to a? This is the same case now. Now it connects to a. So it becomes ni ka. And then n. ایمان با نیکان دوست. ده او دو. Then s. So it's دوست and a ت بزرگ at the end. It becomes دوست است. ای اول س. ت است. The sentence is finished. We place a period at the end. Next sentence. I want to write دیروز. It starts with د and E. The first part is D. That means D and E. But which E should I use? The middle E or ای وسط. So it becomes D. Now the second part, روز. R, U, Z. دیروز. Nasrin is a woman's name. Let's break it into syllables. Nasrin. Nas is N, A. S, Nas. Then Rin. R, E, N. This E is also the middle E. It's the same E. But since the R doesn't connect to the next letter, they stay separate. So, Nasrin. دیروز نسرین. در. در. Now you read this word. I'm not going to read it. Let's see if you can read it yourself. Alright, what do we have? Sa becomes sa, r-i, ri, just like we've seen before. So the word becomes sorry. Look, we learned this sa in lesson 3. And we also just learned ri here. Now, when we put sa and ri next to each other, they make one word, sorry. Next word, بود. Bu. Which U is it? The second U. Then D and a period. Let me repeat everything once more. I, M, A, ima, N, iman. N, I, ni, K, A, ka, N, nikan. D, I, di, R, U, Z, روز. دیروز. نسرین. ا، س. نسرین نسرین ساری ساری ساری. Now from each of these lines, write the words twice. These two lines are very important. Make sure to repeat them often so you can learn them really well. See you in the next lesson.